wish I had a red jungle that kicked the bucket. I was sitting on a block like Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull. It can buy me a Yeti 110 lifestyle with some silver bullets. Yeah, I know what they say. Money can't buy it. Turn, I will. But it can buy me a boat. Call me redneck, white trash, and blue collar. But I can change all that if I had a couple $1 million. And then here's that money in the room, all in, you can't fit a camel through the eye of the needle. I'm sure that's probably true, but it still sounds pretty cool. Buy me a boat, and buy me a truck to pull it, and buy me a young long-term lifestyle with some silver bullets. No. Maybe so. It can buy me a boat to float down the water with a beer. You hear? We can't afford all this sitting on the $100 million. That buy me. Oh! Good. Keep going.
I know.
It can buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 lifestyle with some silver bullets. Yeah, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so. It can buy me a boat. Yeah, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Oh my God. We almost died.
No, we didn't.
Why would the people be out for nothing? Oh my God.
Ahead of the curve. Sirius XM.
Give me a heart attack?
I'm too young to die. I need to live my life. I'm so young. My body is old though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How old?
It's like a million years old. My back is so fucked up. And my knees and my ankles. They hit gymnastics. Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta be so rude? Dude, you got dirty pants.